and welcome to the very first episode of Voices of Dhruv, the official podcast of Dhruv Global School, where we bring you the stories which will inspire, involve, and ignite the young minds. I'm your host Swapna, and I welcome today's very special guest. She is with us right from her playgroup. She has made us proud by scoring 97.4 percentage in 10 board examination. She is Sachi Rathi. Hearty congratulations, Sachi.
Thank you so much. It feels amazing to be here and be able to share my journey with my Dhruv family.
Yeah, we're definitely looking forward for it. Sachi, I would like to know, Vidyavrat Samskar plays a very important and vital role. So how did it help you to shape your life?
Indeed, Vidyavrat has been a turning point in my life. It made us understand our short term and long term goals, how to set smart goals so that we can be focused from the very beginning. It made us understand our duties towards our parents, teachers, and the nation as a whole. Meeting counselors and influential people during that time opened my eyes to what education really means.
Yeah, I agree.
It just wasn't about marks, but how I will contribute back to the society. And that mindset stayed with me throughout my class 10th.
That's an amazing response. I would even like to know that your batch consisted of excellent counseling, parent counseling session. You had remedial classes. You had three prelims. Like I mean, there was so much to happen. So how did this help you?
That combination was majestic and powerful. The toppers revision classes drilled the concepts deeply. The three prelims made the board exams feel so familiar and fearless. Parent counseling kept our family in sync with our journey. Even Archana ma'am's constant motivation reminded us of dreaming big, working smarter, and staying grounded. And that balance helped me to stay stress free yet focused.
Yeah, we can see this by our best result. I would even like to ask you, like, planning plays a very important role. So how did you plan your curriculum or your timetable? Would you please like to share with our audience?
Surely, well, my focus was never on counting hours, but following a consistent routine. In the mornings before school, I revised my previous day notes. After school, I would take a quick nap and then compulsorily go on the ground for at least 45 minutes to 1 hour. And I would play. Play anything from basketball, badminton, cycling, TT, or even hide and seek with my friends.
Wow.
And that playtime kept me fresh. After that, I would freshen up and do my evening prayers, which I never missed. After that, I sat for homework completion, revised what was taught that day. Also, I followed a very interesting technique of explaining the topics to my parents as if I was teaching to get a better clarity and build confidence over the topic. After that, I would practice exercise questions, lots, hots, and some PYQs, made diagrams, mind maps, formulas, reactions, properties, everything. It was never about 2 or 5 hours. It was about following this schedule strictly every day.
Yeah, it really reflects a lot. I think our audience have noted down whatever you have said. Dhruv is known for its strong value system. So how does Honorable Chairman Sir really motivates you?
Sanjay Sir's vision has shaped me since my formative years. His emphasis on staying away from distraction has been into me since my childhood. Believe me, ma'am, I don't have mobile phone or social media even today.
Oh.
It's not of my own. I use my father's supplementary phone, and that also for some time because he has given the verdict by listening to Sanjay Sir's values that you should not be having a mobile phone till you complete your superior goal.
Yeah, that's
and
true.
his command is our final thing. So I don't have a mobile phone even today because students don't realize how much time is wasted on screens. Also, Sanjay sir's belief in participation, discipline, and balanced growth has made me who I am today.
Yeah, he's even a role model for us. Now, I would like to ask you, teachers play a very important role in some everyone's life. So, how did teachers play a role in your life?
Teachers were my strongest pillars. They were available for me at any time for my doubts. They encouraged me. Also, they gave me personal attention. The multiple intelligence theory that Dhruv follows has helped me a lot because there's a real science behind stress free education, and my teachers helped me to decode it and follow it.
Yeah, I agree with you. It was really a very sensible answer. Sachi, does your friends or group studies really this comes together for helping you out?
Yes, it did. Because explaining my friends the concepts in group discussions helped me to get better clarity about the concept. Also, my friends kept the journey lively, fun, and balanced. They reminded me to not stress out and get overburdened.
Yeah, even I agree with you because I have seen you consistently working and progressing in your life. Now, I would like to know how about your progress till now? And now you have taken admission in grade 11. So, what's your next plan?
Well, that's my favorite question because I like to share what I am planning for. I am passionate about space science and technology, and I aspire to become an IITian. So let's hope that it goes well by continuing what worked till now, balanced study, time for development beyond academics.
Yeah, even I would like to mention to our audience that Sachi was being selected for Yuvika, and that was one of the initiative program happened by ISRO, and it was right from Dhruv Global School. She was being initially taken up, and she was been progressing in our school where science teachers even guided her. Now, I would like to know what does Dhruv Global School means to you?
It means everything. Dhruv has been my foundation since my playgroup. In recent years, pranayam, career guidance sessions, sports, inter-house and inter-school events, science exhibitions, fine arts like dance, and music, it all has shaped me into a confident and a focused student. And me being selected for ISRO's Yuvika program is the result of all these small achievements turned bigger. Dhruv has made me who I am today.
Yeah, that's a beautiful response. Now, I would like to know what role does your parents play in your life?
They were my backbone. My mother guided me in science, and my father kept me calm. Also, he being brilliant with numbers, he helped me in mathematics. My sister, who is a chartered accountant now, is a Dhruv alumnus
Yeah.
and a topper of her own batch. So she motivated me by sharing her own Dhruvian journey. Most of all, they believed in me completely, and their belief gave me strength.
Yeah, even we see the results now. My next question to you is Sachi, can you define success? What according to you does success mean?
Okay, so what I think is success is 1% of luck, I agree, but it's 99% of sweat.
Yeah, even I agree with that. It's really a very sensible answer. I would like to ask you that is there any kind of word of gratitude would you like to mention out with?
My gratitude goes beyond words, but to Dhruv Global School, to my parents, my teachers, Chairman Sir, Principal Ma'am, everyone, this achievement belongs to you all, and I am very, very grateful to help me turn my dreams into reality.
Thank you so much, Sachi. Actually, you're not a topper only on paper, but you're also a real role model for our upcoming classes and generations. Okay, Sachi, what advice or what suggestion would you like to give to the grade 10 students who are preparing for boards now?
First things first, you don't need any tuitions or online offline crash courses because they are time consuming, tiring, and you miss personal attention there. So, everything you need is there in your schools. Dhruv gives you complete education if you use it fully because Dhruv doesn't only teach academics, it teaches life. Also, stay consistent, trust your teachers, set smart goals, be focused, and take care of your health. Sleep well, eat well, and be on the ground for at least 1 hour. Lastly, believe in yourself.
Yeah, thank you for your response, and we wish you all the best for your future endeavors.
Thank you so
We
much.
look you at a very high place in your future and your life. All the best. Thank you for tuning in with the first debut episode of Voices of Dhruv. We're still looking out for many stories, so it can be yours next. Keep smiling, keep listening, keep tuning. Thank you.